Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this is a design for the Charlie's Nail Art collab. So this is, I've named it Spring Dots and Flowers because I wasn't sure what else to name it. So these are the colours I'm going to be using today, which is an Aimeili and a Umikk one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply the first coat, and then I will apply the second coat to a couple of the nails, and then I shall come back. Okay, so this is the foil I'm going to be using today. So this is polka dot rose foil from Charlie's. I'm also going to be using the textured hexagons, and this is in a lilac. And I'm also going to be using these iridescent ones as well. They're not textured ones. And this Umikk foil glue. So I'm just going to apply the foil glue fully to one nail, and then halfway up on the next one, and then apply the foil. Okay, I'm just going to apply a top coat to this now, and then we can go in and do some stamping. So, sorry, Today I'm going to be trying out the Shemodern Clear. This is my first time using it, so I'm super excited. So this is the stamping plate we're using today. So this is Two Joys 040, and it's the butterfly one. It's so pretty. It's one of my favourite plates. So this is the clear sticky stamping polish because I want to add some foils, so I'm going to be using this. I do pick up the image. I've left this in real time so you can see. So I will pick up the image and I will try and show you the image on the stamper. Just hopefully you can see it. That's why I left it in real time for you to be able to see. So then I'm just going to clean it up a little bit and then I will stamp it on the nail. And then I will pick up the next image and then I will apply some foil. So the foil I'm using today is one that I actually got ages ago from Born Pretty. It's a metallic one, so I will use that and then I will go in with the CAD's white stamping polish and stamp the outline. Okay, I shall be right back. Okay, so here I'm applying the glossy top coat, because you should apply a glossy top coat, not a matte top coat, unless you can find one that doesn't smear stamping. I did do it a bit wrong on this part. I did apply the matte, not thinking, but I corrected it. So yeah, I'm now going in, I think this is the matte I'm going in with now after I've topped it off with the glossy, so just remember that. Yep, and then I will apply some gems. So I'm still working on my gem placement, but I am getting better. So I will apply some different gems, and I'm even going to use caviar beads, I know. So I will use them just to build it up, and then I shall come back. Okay, I'm just going to finish adding the gems, and then this is the design done. I will show you at the end. All products I've used today will be listed down below, as well as any discount codes I have. I think this turned out really pretty. I really liked it. So the theme was dots, but I kind of made it sort of spring flower butterfly dot type thing. I really don't know. I really didn't know what to call this video. So yeah, I think it turned out really nice. So this thumb gem placement is kind of a bit on the wonky side, but yeah, at least you know I'm trying, you know. Hopefully, you know, I'll get the hang of it, hopefully, fingers crossed. So yeah, let me know your thoughts down below on how this turned out. I think it turned out really pretty. I'd definitely wear it. So I will have pictures at the end, and as I said, any discount codes and all products used today will be listed down below. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe, and yeah, don't forget to check out Charlie's, Aimeili and Shemodern as well, because this clear sticky stamp polish is amazing. So thank you everybody so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and let me know what you think down below. Well, take care everyone, and hopefully I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye.